Hey guys, and welcome to another ModBargains video. Today we're going to actually be installing an exhaust, an Eisenmann exhaust on a new G87 M2. During this video I'm going to drive it, going to show you guys in efficiency mode, in M2 mode, show you how it's like in the cabin. We'll do a cold start, we'll do a drive-by, and then we'll install this exhaust. So you'll watch this exhaust and you guys have a comparison video of how this exhaust sounds. I know a lot of people have been wanting to hear this exhaust, so I hope you guys enjoy it. I think it's a phenomenal value for what you're getting. And Eisenmann has been around for quite a long time. So it's made out in Germany, great company, never had any issues, some of the best sounding exhausts out there. So hope you guys enjoy it. And also don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. It always helps us out. We really do appreciate it. And any comments, feel free to put them in there. We'll do our best to respond. All right, let's go into the video. Okay guys, so I want to give a little summary here since we're just finished up doing the videos and I've gotten to drive this thing, this exhaust. It is nice. It is very deep, very German sounding, which I like. Fits the vehicle. You know, this is a German-made car. It's got that German type of sound. It's deep. It's aggressive. It's definitely got a rumble. So you can, when you hear those pops come in and that deepness come out, there's a rumble in there. It's one thing that I picked up on with the exhaust. I mean, this is a phenomenal car. You know this if you own a G87. If you don't own one, it's a fantastic car. The wheelbase, the handling, you know, the M4 is great, and this M2 is just phenomenal. I personally like it. The styling, I know some people have had issues about it, but that's not what this video is about. It's about the exhaust. And I really feel like this exhaust has brought this vehicle to life, kind of made it more brutal, more aggressive, what the BMW is really about, why it's an M, right? So, you know, no BS with it. Something nice from Eisenmann at a very affordable price point, honestly. Oh yeah. It's just a pure joy, you know, you enjoy it, you know, you get that enjoyment that you get out of that sound. So, beautiful exhaust, a lot of fun. Guys, if you like this content, please hit you know, the like button, the subscribe. It helps us out when you guys share it, and you know, we'll hopefully try to make you guys a lot more stuff. So thanks again.